Okay guys, so we're going to start selecting the number of almonds that we want to use for our recipe. It may depend on the recipe you're using, but this amount that I'm showing here must be enough. You just have to make sure there are not almonds with imperfections. You don't want this in your recipe. And once it's finished, you're going to start boiling water, like in this one right here. So after a couple of minutes it's going to be boiling, and then you can add the almonds. So the important step in here is that you don't let them more than 1 minute. It should be something between 30 seconds and 1 minute, so that they don't lose their texture, because if you let them a lot of time they may soften, and we don't want that. Afterwards, we're going to use a strainer so we can filter the hot water and separate it from the almonds. In this step, it's very important that you don't use a plastic strainer. It's always better to use a metallic one. Then we're going to use some cold water so we can cool down the almonds and prevent them from losing their original texture. And we can eat them as we have always loved them. In the next step, we're going to take each almond and we're going to just squeeze it a little bit, and we can get rid of the skin. It must come out very easily. As you can see in here, we have the almond and the skin is super soft. So you just need to squeeze a little bit so you get rid of it, and that's pretty much it. Actually, it should be super simple. At the end, everything should be super simple. So you should be able to peel all the almonds, to blanch all the almonds in 10 minutes or maybe more, maybe less. And at the end they should look like this. As you can see here, they are a little wet. So because we don't want that, we're going to use a napkin, or we can let them dry with the sun in a natural way. So I just don't recommend that you use a microwave oven, because that can change the texture or the taste of the almonds. So I don't really recommend that. It's always better to use a napkin, or if you wish, you can also use a pair of napkins at the bottom of a plate and let them dry naturally, and let the almonds dry naturally over the napkins, and just let them stay there 1 hour, maybe 2, depending on the recipe that you are using. And that's it. That's how to blanch almonds. This is the final step. I hope that you like the video. If you do so, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to the button below. And see you next time, guys. Bye bye.